South African billionaire Christo Wiese has been a financial advisor of the presidents of South Africa since Nelson Mandela. And Christo Wiese has advice for Cyril Ramaphosa, and I just quickly want to relay what that advice is, and specifically two things that he told in a story to Jacob Zuma, one of which was from his mother and another when he was in the legal profession. So Christo Wiese has one big concern for the country at the moment, and in his situation as a multi-dollar billionaire, Christo Wiese is living an easy life with regards to his circumstance. He can choose where he wants to live. He has many estates around the world, etc. Having said that, it is these two things that I want to highlight, and then his final advice for people in the country, but besides that, for President Cyril Ramaphosa. And he said he gave this advice basically to Jacob Zuma before, and he relays how Jacob Zuma then invited him to an address that was going to take place, a State of the Nation address, how he sat in the front row, and how Jacob Zuma didn't do anything or say anything based on this advice that Christo Wiese gave him. And as he relays the story, he says years ago, before Jacob Zuma delivered one of the State of the Nation speeches, he invited a few business people to the Cape Sun. I went and somebody told me to say something, so I said that I would give the president some advice for his speech in all modesty. And then Christo Wiese told Zuma two stories, one of which was about how his mother told him that when you spend money, it must be only on things you cannot do without. So things you need for survival, not on what you need. And that is profound. And that coming from his mother, how he used that throughout his life, I'm not sure. I do not want to speak about him as a businessman, the type of person he became because of this. But this advice that comes from his mother is something that many of the older generations, especially the conservative generations, hold dear. Spend on things that you cannot do without, not on what you need. The other story came from Wiese's early years as a lawyer, where he learned that it does not matter how much work you do if it is answering the wrong question. And this is profound, and it might fly over many people's heads. However, if you can figure this out, it will profoundly change your life. You can do as much work as you want. If you are answering the wrong question, that work will be in vain. And many people live with that reality. Then he said, respectfully, Mr. President, here is the advice. From tomorrow, from the speech onwards, make a statement and make a promise. Wiese recalled, make a promise that everything the government does from this day on will be put through the screen of, will it create jobs or will it destroy jobs? And this is the exact advice that he's giving Cyril Ramaphosa now as our current president. Tell me in the comments what you think. Do you think that this is the number one priority for South Africa? This is certainly the number one priority for a billionaire that built his businesses of people not becoming self-reliant. Thanks so much for watching. Till the next video.